G'day good people, we're 8 weeks into the GoFundMe campaign and we are more than 40% on our way to the goal, if you count both GoFundMe and PayPal donations. As a reward for your donation, you will get your name drawn onto the boat and announced over YouTube. But if you really want to get noticed, then you can even get your name permanently welded to the boat too. That's right, it will be seen forevermore on my channel. Now, who is going up on the column of heroes this week? We have Darren Edelman, who was given so many times it's just not funny. Good on you, Darren. I will throw your name up on the heroes side of the boat this coming week. To be drawn up on the boat, we have Eric Schmidt, Chris Baladia and David Clements. Although I think David Clements is supposed to go up on the hero side. Send me an email please, David Clements, and we'll sort it out. Thank you all for donating and supporting the Elcano World Challenge. If you want to be on the list or welded permanently onto the boat, the links to the GoFundMe campaign is in the description. I know, I'm walking on the beach with shoes, people. I used to make fun of people like that. That's where we're going, to the top. Let's go check it out. Is Vietnam a developing country? I think it is, isn't it? Well, it looks pretty developed to me. I mean, there's very little crime. I mean, there's only one political party. That's a bit of a, well, better not say anything about that. I might be disappeared, but feels pretty developed to me. Internet everywhere, banks everywhere, no crime. Bloody good. There's actually a nightclub up here. I've never been to it because I actually don't have any clothes to wear. I've only got 2 pairs of shoes and they're all studded in the bottom with bits of aluminium. So if I went dancing on a dance floor, I'm sure I'd cause some injuries. Now that restaurant back there, that's pretty typical. That's an expensive restaurant, but even the not so expensive seafood restaurants, everything is alive. Everything's got like running water through it. You buy grouper, they're all alive, all the shellfish, everything's alive. Actually, I'm kind of surprised there's people at the beach. Normally, they don't come down to like 4:30 or 5. I don't know if Scott Napa is watching, but I'm wearing his t-shirt from Nebraska. I don't know what Nebraskans like doing, but I don't know, I guess running from tornadoes? Is that a pastime? I don't know, I don't know. It's a nice esplanade, people, it really is. Actually, here's an interesting story that I haven't told before, especially when I was in the area. I couldn't say anything, but I actually found some merchandise. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's a illegal substance. I'm not going to tell you which country either I found it in, but I found it on a beach and I went, Jesus, what am I going to do with this? And you know how I'm anti-drug, and I thought, I don't know what to do with it. I thought the best thing to do would be to burn it or bury it. And so I grabbed it. It was like in a bright yellow, well, it had yellow tape on a black bag. It was all wrapped up. There was 19 packets. One was damaged. I mean, they really did a terrible job of wrapping them. It's like they just wrapped it in Glad wrap and hoped for the best. And had some yellow tape on it, you know, that packing tape. And so I was sitting in the middle of the beach. So it would have been picked up by one of the locals, and then it would have gone through all of their hands. They wouldn't have given it up, they would have sold it. And I just don't like that whole situation. So I wanted to destroy it. So I picked it up and I put it somewhere. I put a bucket over it and I hid it. And I thought, I'll go back one day at night because I can't be caught with this stuff, Jesus. And so I'll go back one day at night and I'll burn it. You know, staying upwind, people. Come on, get your head out of the bloody gutter. And I went back like a few days later and it was gone. So the locals are so in tune with everything that the boaties do, the yachties do, that they noticed what I was doing. They saw where I went, and I actually walked into the bush and hid it. Mind you, I did put a bucket on it, so it was, once you went into the bush some sort of distance, you'd go, there's a bucket there. What's that bucket there? So I thought of that after. It was a pretty stupid thing to do. It would have been better just to cover it with something, but I needed to find it at night coming back. So anyway, and it was gone. So don't tell anyone. I don't know if I'm going to show this. Well, I might show it on Patreons, but there you go. It's an interesting story, and it's true. It's absolutely true. And I had some crew with me, and they can vouch for it too. But of course, I didn't actually show that crew on the on YouTube. There was another lost series. There's been actually a few lost series. Did you know Lisa's series was going to be a lost series? When I put it all together and I looked at it all, I thought, I don't think people are going to like it. There you go. That's how little YouTube I know. These guys just sat alone, just having a lovely crab lunch by the beach. How bloody good. Oh no, thank you, thank you anyway. People are so friendly here. When they're having their little lunches by the beach, I shouldn't say little, sometimes they're banquets. They always invite me along, they give me a beer. They're so nice. These people are just so nice. One thing that I'll comment on is the social media disease is even in Vietnam. I was talking to some guy here who's been here for like 15 years. He said it all went wrong about 10 years ago when all the young people got the smartphones. And literally, when I go to the beach, there's always, well, not always, but eventually I'll see one or two pretty girls, and they're standing on the rocks up here next to the water, and they've got their boyfriends grudgingly walking along, having to take the picture. It's just to take a picture to show everyone that they're having a great time. Then they go to the restaurant, they get a drink and a meal, they take pictures, and they're just showing how wonderful their life is. And it's just empty pictures and rubbish. I mean, literally. I know I'm sort of in the social media scene as well, but we all know sailing in freedom doesn't paint the best picture of life. It paints a lot of disaster and mayhem. Sailing into freedom, sailing into trouble. There's the top of the statue. I don't know how to get there. I think I have to go back. I don't know if I'm going the right way. Hello!
Hello! Hi!
Alright, check out that. Wow, I would have liked to paraglide this, but I probably would have been locked up. Oh wow, you can go up the top. Gee, you can't be fat here. You get blocked. Good thing about being 6'2", everyone else is 5 foot nothing, and so you just barge past them. They see you coming down, make way. A bit like, is Moses here? No Moses, maybe, I don't know. Can't ride here. I'll be walking the whole bike home. I've got like 5 Ks.
Hello.
I met some friendly Vietnamese. You want to go on YouTube? Who speaks English? You speak English?
Dạ cho English xin bên cái Vietnamese. Yo yo.
I'm just going to tell them about my channel.
Hello.
A big spike in my subscribers. Oh yeah, everyone follow. Everyone follow. Follow. Oh, definitely I'm going to get a huge spike. I might get an extra few cents this week.
Okay, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Yeah.
And like and share.
You'll be on YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. Yeah.
YouTube.
And share.
Yeah, share with all your friends.
Okay. Chị cho chị Zalo đi, chị gửi qua cho.
Oh no, they're watching it now.
Okay.
All right, bye. Bye. We weren't they friendly? There you go, 8 more subscribers, people. It's probably the most I've got this year. Welcome to the cutting, grinding and welding channel. Whoa, what have we got this week? This is Hull 2's daggerboard. In fact, if you look at Hull 2, it is markedly in front of Hull 1's progress.